Imagine breathing in an atmosphere rich in oxygen, where each breath fills your lungs with an energy unknown to us today. This was the reality for the mighty dinosaurs that roamed the Earth during the Mesozoic era. The air was denser, packed with more oxygen than our current atmosphere. This high-oxygen environment was a boon for these giants, fueling their enormous bodies and supporting their high metabolic rates. The dinosaurs' size was no mere accident. It was a direct result of the oxygen-rich environment they inhabited. Oxygen is vital for life, playing a crucial role in energy production within our cells. For creatures as massive as dinosaurs, more oxygen meant more energy, which allowed them to grow to sizes that are hard for us to even fathom today. But what would happen if these prehistoric behemoths were to take a stroll in our modern world? With our current oxygen levels hovering around 21%, considerably lower than the 30% or more during the Mesozoic era, these giants might find themselves struggling. Lower oxygen levels could impact various aspects of a dinosaur's physiology. The most immediate effect would be on their respiratory system. Dinosaurs, like today's birds, had a highly efficient respiratory system, well adapted to extracting oxygen from the air. But in an environment with less oxygen, they might find it challenging to take in enough to sustain their immense bodies. Additionally, lower oxygen levels could also affect metabolic functions. Metabolism is the process by which organisms convert food into the energy they need to survive. Dinosaurs' high metabolic rates were supported by the high oxygen levels in their environment. In today's world, with its reduced oxygen levels, dinosaurs might struggle to generate enough energy to support their size, leading to a slower metabolism, less activity, and a general struggle to survive. So, it seems our current oxygen levels might have left these prehistoric giants gasping for breath. The atmospheric differences between the Mesozoic era and today are just one of the many challenges dinosaurs would face in our modern world. But hold your breath, as we have more intriguing factors to discuss in the upcoming scenes. Now, picture a world with a climate quite unlike our own, one that dinosaurs thrived in. During the Mesozoic era, Earth's climate was much warmer. Dinosaurs, with their reptilian physiology, were perfectly suited for this tropical, balmy world. They had evolved unique adaptations to regulate their body temperature in a warmer climate. But let's contrast this with our modern world. The climate we experience today is marked by fluctuations and extremes, swinging between sweltering heat waves and frigid ice ages. These variations are a far cry from the consistent warmth that dinosaurs were accustomed to. Now, imagine a dinosaur attempting to navigate these drastic temperature changes. Their body, designed for a warmer world, might struggle to adjust to the colder temperatures. Moreover, dinosaurs, like modern reptiles, were likely ectothermic, meaning their body temperature was influenced by their environment. In a world where temperatures can plummet to below freezing or soar to scorching highs, maintaining a stable body temperature would be a constant battle. Think about a cold-blooded reptile, basking in the sun to warm up, or seeking shade to cool down. Now, multiply those temperature challenges by the size of a dinosaur. It's a monumental task, isn't it? In addition, frequent and unpredictable weather events, such as storms and blizzards, could pose additional challenges. These events could lead to sudden drops in temperature, making survival even more difficult for these ancient giants. Moreover, climate change today is not just about temperature. It also involves changes in precipitation patterns, sea levels, and the frequency of extreme weather events. All these factors could have profound effects on the ecosystems that dinosaurs would need to survive. So while the mighty dinosaurs ruled in a world of consistent warmth, our modern, unpredictable climate would likely have thrown them for a loop. Their reptilian bodies, so perfectly adapted to the balmy Mesozoic, might not fare so well in the face of our fluctuating, often harsh weather conditions. In the face of today's unpredictable weather, dinosaurs might have found themselves out in the cold. It's a chilling reminder of how climate shifts can impact the survival of species, no matter how large or dominant they may be. Imagine a world where the balance of power shifts and new predators stake their claim. In the grand theater of evolution, the rise of mammals marked a dramatic act, one that would have given dinosaurs a run for their money. Mammals, those warm-blooded dynamos, emerged as formidable competitors during the twilight of the dinosaur era. Unlike their colossal counterparts, mammals were smaller, more adaptable, and swift. They had the ability to exploit a wide range of environments, from the densest forests to the most barren deserts. This adaptability gave them a distinct advantage, allowing them to thrive in different habitats and climates. Now, let's consider hunting efficiency. Mammals, with their keen senses and agile bodies, were efficient hunters. They were able to stealthily track and swiftly capture their prey, an advantage that could have put dinosaurs on the back foot. In contrast to the lumbering gait of many dinosaurs, the speed and agility of mammals allowed them to secure food sources more effectively. But the competition didn't stop at hunting. Mammals were also adept at exploiting diverse ecosystems. They developed specialized diets, feeding habits, and lifestyles to make the best use of available resources. Some became expert climbers, others burrowers, while some even took to the skies. This versatility meant that mammals could fill ecological niches that dinosaurs couldn't, giving them an upper hand in the struggle for survival. Dinosaurs, for all their impressive size and strength, might have found themselves outmaneuvered in this new, mammal-dominated world. The adaptability and versatility of mammals could have posed a significant challenge to the survival of dinosaurs, whose size and physiology limited their ability to adapt to changing environments and predatory pressures. So, when we look at the world today, a world teeming with mammals of all shapes and sizes, it's hard to imagine dinosaurs fitting in. These ancient giants, once the rulers of the earth, might have found themselves in a tough spot, struggling to keep pace with the rise of a new breed of competitors. In a world where mammals rule the roost, dinosaurs might have found themselves struggling to keep up. What a fascinating twist in the tale of evolution, isn't it? Now, envision a world where vast territories shrink and habitats become fragmented. This is the reality of our modern world, a stark contrast to the expansive landscapes that dinosaurs once roamed. Dinosaurs were creatures of grand scale, not only in size but also in their habitat requirements. They inhabited a world rich in diversity, from lush forests to sweeping plains, teeming with a cornucopia of flora and fauna. These vast territories provided the necessary resources for survival, ample food, space for roaming, and suitable environments for nesting and reproduction. However, the world has changed dramatically since the time of the dinosaurs. The expansion of human civilization has led to significant habitat loss and fragmentation. Forests have been replaced by cities, plains by agricultural fields, and rivers by dams. The encroachment of urbanization, agriculture, and infrastructure development has drastically reduced the available habitats. This habitat loss and fragmentation would have a profound impact on dinosaurs. The reduction in territory size would limit their ability to find sufficient food. Dinosaurs, particularly the larger species, required vast amounts of food to sustain their enormous bodies. Without ample grazing grounds or hunting territories, they would struggle to meet their dietary needs. Fragmentation of habitats would also impede the dinosaurs' ability to roam freely. These creatures were not designed for confined spaces. Their massive size and need for territory would clash with the compartmentalized landscapes of the modern world. Fragmented habitats could lead to increased competition for resources, further threatening their survival. Moreover, habitat loss could disrupt the dinosaurs' breeding patterns. Many dinosaur species relied on specific environments for nesting and raising their young. The destruction of these environments could lead to a decline in successful reproduction, gradually dwindling their populations. In essence, habitat loss and fragmentation could severely undermine the survival of dinosaurs in today's world. In a world sliced and diced by human activity, dinosaurs might have struggled to find a home. The world as we know it may be a vibrant tapestry of life, but it's a tapestry that these ancient giants might find challenging to navigate. Lastly, imagine a world teeming with diseases these ancient creatures have never encountered. Picture the dinosaurs, with their robust forms and imposing might, suddenly grappling with invisible enemies, those being modern diseases. The immune systems of dinosaurs, formidable as they may have been, would likely have been unprepared for such a battle. Over millions of years, pathogens have evolved and diversified, leading to a myriad of diseases that didn't exist during the dinosaur era. Each passing era has brought forth new diseases, each more complex and potent than the last. This continuous evolution of pathogens has given rise to a disease landscape that is as diverse as it is deadly. From viruses and bacteria to fungi and parasites, these microscopic organisms have adapted to infect a wide range of hosts, including humans, animals, and plants. In the face of these pathogens, dinosaurs' immune systems, honed for a different era, might have struggled to mount an effective response. The potential for disease transmission from other species, including humans, could further complicate matters. In a world where diseases can jump from one species to another, dinosaurs might have found themselves exposed to an array of unfamiliar pathogens. In a world rife with new diseases, dinosaurs might have found themselves ill-equipped to survive. The intricate dance of survival doesn't just involve the struggle for resources or the fight against predators. Sometimes the most formidable challenges come from the smallest and most unexpected foes. In the grand scheme of things, the world has changed, and not all creatures can keep pace. The dinosaurs, once rulers of the earth, would find our modern era a harsh and unforgiving place. Our atmospheric shifts, erratic climates, fierce mammalian competition, relentless habitat loss, and the emergence of new diseases all play a part in this. As we unravel the mysteries of the past, we gain a deeper understanding of our present world and the intricate web of life it supports. Until next time, keep exploring.